We live in the Caribbean and it is constantly hot, and we need fans all around to kind of just displace some air and cool ourselves off. We just were testing this here in our household. This brand new fan we just got is fantastic. Now, we're used to pedestal fans, and I've never seen a fan with that much blowing power. It's really, really cool, literally. And I love the fact of how you can actually direct, because this pedestal fan, yes, will automatically oscillate if you ask it to, but you can also direct. So what I don't like air going straight at my face necessarily, but I do want to have that coolness effect. So having it like going onto the ground or maybe onto the ceiling kind of still makes that that air move around. I love the way it looks, because obviously a fan is going to be visible. It's going to be something that's going to be either on a table like this one here, or on the floor as a floor fan, and which is why they actually added this. I think this is cool. That's the first time, again, that I see something like that. So you've got to kind of have like two options for this fan, a mini options like this, or option like this, or if I want to literally super quickly just unscrew this bottom part and add this part right here, and then automatically I have a fan that's even taller, so I can have it on the ground and still reach the places that I need to reach. I think that's great. Again, I'm still kind of like impressed at how beautiful it looks, how great and unique and modern it looks. I love that. Love how unique the remote is as well. You can control everything with these just little buttons here, whether it's the automatic feature, so the automatic sensor and the automatic feature, the night mode, the intensity of the fan. You've got 9 different fan speeds. Let me turn it on and you'll see. And you've got a really nice screen that tells you exactly what speed you're at. We're on 9 right now, and I can really quickly just go down to 3, and I'm just going to go back to 9 right now, because this is the one that displaces air. They say on their site that basically within 3 minutes a room can get really, like that coolness of the room can actually, the effect can be sensed. I totally believe it, because it's going right now and it's blasting air like no other. We had like stuff on the table over there. You got to be careful, because things are just going to blow away. Really, really nice. You do have the option also to have no sound on this, and a night mode like I was talking about. The night mode is going to be super, super silent. So if you are bothered by fans and noise from fans while you're sleeping, there's no worries there. You can just put it on that night mode. But yeah, now it's blowing on my mic. I'm sure it's bothering you guys. But yeah, it is fantastic. It's a really nice wide oscillation. And I love, my favorite part, I love being able to just control that as well. And it is still at number 9 speed. It is still hyper quiet, which is impressive. Well, yeah, this one definitely is a winner.